The all-new 2027 Dodge Viper is back, and if the latest rumors and concept designs become reality, this could be one of the most outrageous American supercars ever created. Welcome back to Caar Gala, where we bring you the latest and most exciting automotive stories from around the world. Today, we're diving into the machine that enthusiasts have been waiting years to see. The legendary Viper name could finally return, bringing raw power, aggressive styling, and an attitude that refuses to follow the rules. But is the new Viper really coming? What engine could it use, and can it challenge Europe's finest supercars once again? Stay with us until the end, because what you're about to see might be the most exciting American performance come back of the decade. For years, the Dodge Viper represented everything. True driver's car should be massive horsepower, rear-wheel drive, almost no electronic babysitters, and styling so aggressive it looked ready to attack the road. When production ended in 2017, fans believed one of America's greatest performance icons had disappeared forever. But the automotive world has changed dramatically since then, and Dodge has been searching for new ways to keep its legendary performance heritage alive. The biggest question surrounding the 2027 Dodge Viper is its engine. The original Viper became famous because of its enormous, naturally aspirated, producing one of the most unforgettable exhaust notes ever heard on public roads. Unfortunately, stricter emissions regulations make another massive unlikely. Instead, industry speculation points toward a completely new powertrain that could still deliver breathtaking performance. One possibility is a twin turbocharged, producing somewhere between 800 and 1,000 horsepower. Another possibility is Dodge combining internal combustion with hybrid technology, allowing instant electric torque while maintaining the brutal personality that Viper fans expect. Whatever Dodge decides, one thing is certain: the new Viper cannot simply be another muscle car. It must feel special every time the engine starts. Performance could easily exceed today's supercar standards. Imagine 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, a top speed approaching 220 miles per hour, or acceleration powerful enough to challenge some of the fastest Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and McLarens. Engineers could use light-weight aluminum, carbon fiber panels, and advanced aerodynamics to improve both speed and handling without sacrificing the aggressive character that defines the Viper. The design is expected to remain unmistakably Viper: long hood, short rear deck, wide body, massive air intakes, muscular fenders, sharp LED lighting. Every angle would remind people that this isn't designed to blend in traffic, it's designed to dominate it. Modern aerodynamic features could include an active rear wing, adjustable front splitter, larger rear diffuser, functional hood vents, and advanced cooling systems for both engine and brakes. The front fascia could feature slimmer headlights inspired by modern performance cars, while maintaining the intimidating face that made previous Vipers instantly recognizable. Large side exhaust-inspired styling elements may also return as a tribute to earlier generations, giving the car an unmistakable American identity. Inside the cabin, Dodge would likely combine modern luxury with race-inspired simplicity. Expect premium leather on entire surface is carbon fiber trim, customizable digital displays, and supportive sport bucket seats designed for both daily driving and track sessions. Unlike older Vipers, the 2027 model would almost certainly include advanced infotainment, connectivity, features safety systems, driver assistance, and selectable drive modes. The supercar market is more competitive than ever, with machines like the Chevrolet Corvette, Ford GT, Porsche 911 DRS, McLaren Archer, and several high-performance electric supercars entering the market. Standing out won't be easy, but few vehicles carry the emotional history and unmistakable identity of the Dodge Viper. Many automotive artists have already imagined futuristic Viper concepts with wider bodies, dramatic LED lighting, aggressive